Hi, I am teacher Pooja and I am becoming a native English speaker. I am learning English and I am also teaching English. Both of them is taking place together. There is no need for be fluent. There is no need to be there is no need of a fluent teacher. There is only need that you have courage to decide to teach and learn together. If you learn, you so you can also teach. I know. I also know a a, a YouTube channel. I also known a YouTube channel that belongs to a woman who belongs to a village called named Dehati Madam. She learned and teach at a time and also facing camera and posting YouTube videos on behalf of Delhi. After 2.5 years of hard work, she became what she wanted to be, and Joe Stock and other famous YouTube talk shows invited her to talk and to show to host a show, and she did it. I also want and create a history in English and in YouTube, but that was my fear from 15 years. That's why I couldn't achieve. I am 33, but till now I couldn't achieve my kick, and I couldn't uh, earn I couldn't earn how much I wanted to earn. But here is a thing where I can just earn, because now it's the time. I am just founding the universe that is giving me hope and courage together to learn and teach. That is the medium to earning via YouTube, and that makes me courage to record myself, recording daily on daily basis, and put videos for 6 months. YouTube algorithm just shown me since last 2 months that hard work will also pay you back. Nobody else. Every relation, every family, any relation, family, any friend, no one will comes with you while you need, but your hard work will always comes with you, and it gives you back your freedom. Whatever you have deserved the more. Relatives, boyfriends, relationships, family, always putting you backward from the situation where you wanted to go, or where you wanted to wanting to achieve your success. Whenever in if we talk about me, whenever I try to put myself on priority, and whenever I was one one step behind from my from my success or my goal. There is a boom, or there is a bad energies comes in form of relationships that put me behind from my goal or achieving success. And it took me 15 years to realize that no one is for you, and no one is for your success. They only taunt you, they only can discourage you, but the only you the only you have that will help you the more and more. The is universe is equal for everyone, but if you want to become successful, there is a dream that you can achieve yourself, and you can achieve yourself hard work. Whenever you are trying to go on the right path, and whenever you on the right path, there will be so many difficulties, so many family emergencies, or something else, other things will become in your path, and it will distract you with your path. But discipline only is the thing that can helps you more and more to achieve your goal. You have to be disciplined, not motivated, because motivation is temporary, and hard work is permanent. Discipline is permanent. When you feel motivated inside you, when you watch any video and you feel motivated, after that you decide to do hard work, or cause of that motivational video, but you say that you will do it from tomorrow, and you decide to do hard work from tomorrow, and then you went to sleep and you went to bed. In the morning you just forget about what was the motivation last night, and whatever you decided to do last night, because motivation is temporary. But if you decide to discipline, no matter how much you feel bored, no matter how much emergencies comes for you, no matter how much atmosphere is boring, no matter how much family emergencies comes, but if you did not stuck on your path, and if you do not change your path of discipline, that will only the element that can make you successful. And I am just trying to be disciplined and be calm, because I want to be disciplined every night since 15 years. Every night and every day I felt guilty. Every day, full of time, I feel guilty, and that guilt overburdened my brain, and that was just eating me from inside. But I decided to do less or less. You have not to be perfect, but you have to be creative. You just learning English. We talk like that. If you want to be native speaker in any language, you are just learning, you are just understanding, and you know how to speak, and you know vocab, but you are not trying to speak daily on daily basis. There, your tongue is not regular. Their tongue is not just addicted of that language. So what, you just stuck in your net, in whatever you want to speak. So if you want become a successful, no matter no matter whatever field you want to be successful, you have to be disciplined, and you have to be practice it daily. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I know here I am doing so much mistakes and doing so much bad things, and there in my back end there is so much distraction created by my dogs, my neighbors, childs, and something. But that is the only things that always putting me behind from achieving my success. So I decided not feel distraction, but to achieve my success with this distraction. So if you are just fluent in English, and you are just fluent of your content, just don't take me wrong, slowly I will become fluent, and I will make you understand. But I want to record myself, and I will put it on YouTube, because when I get success, that will help crores of people who lacks of aim, who fear, who facing fear of anything, and who stuck in their creativity. And that will be my evidence of hard work. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Signing off. Bye bye.